Have you ever wondered how much you can send through Paysend in a single day? It's a question that many people have, especially those who rely on this platform for international money transfers. Imagine you're in a rush to send money to a family member overseas. You've got a tight deadline, and you need to send a significant amount. Can Paysend handle it? Let's find out. Paysend is a popular online platform that allows users to send money to various countries around the world. It's known for its fast and affordable services, making it a preferred choice for many. But there's one question that often arises: what is the daily limit for sending money through Paysend? Addressing the main question. The Paysend daily limit can vary depending on several factors, including your location, the country you're sending money to, and your verification level. However, there are some general guidelines to keep in mind. Basic verification. If you have a basic verification level, your daily limit is typically lower. This is to ensure the safety and security of the platform. Enhanced verification. Once you've completed enhanced verification, your daily limit is usually higher. This is because Paysend has more information about you, making it easier to verify your identity. Country-specific limits. Some countries may have specific daily limits imposed by their local regulations. It's essential to check the Paysend website or contact their customer support for the most accurate information. Factors affecting the daily limit. Aside from verification level and country-specific regulations, other factors can influence your daily limit asterisk. Currency. The currency you're sending and receiving can affect the daily limit. Some currencies may have higher limits than others. Payment method. The payment method you use to fund your Paysend account can also impact the limit. For example, using a credit card might have different limits compared to using a bank transfer. Risk assessment. Paysend may conduct a risk assessment based on your transaction history and other factors. If you're flagged for high-risk activity, your limit may be lowered. Additional considerations. While the daily limit is an important factor to consider, it's not the only thing you should keep in mind when using Paysend asterisk. Transaction fees. Paysend charges transaction fees, which can vary depending on the amount you're sending and the currencies involved. Exchange rates. Paysend uses competitive exchange rates, but it's always a good idea to compare them with other providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Delivery times. Paysend typically delivers funds quickly, but the exact delivery time can vary depending on the countries involved and the payment methods used. The Paysend daily limit is a crucial factor to consider when using the platform for international money transfers. By understanding the factors that affect the limit and taking into account other important considerations, you can make informed decisions and ensure a smooth and efficient money transfer experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.